is Ken Reed, and we are now looking at the wall page, display page number 5, under Excavation and Foundation. 5A is about saving existing trees, foliage, and use for natural landscaping. Try to save as much natural landscaping as you can if you build new, or if you're remodeling. Try not to take out any more trees than you need to, and learn how to identify good trees from trees that aren't necessarily worth saving. 5B is utilize felled trees and conserve the soil. We'll go into some ways that can be done. Water runoff. 5C is a big thing because water runoff can cause flooding, and that is more and more of a problem as we are now in the year 2018. And as time goes on, flooding is becoming more and more of an issue. Alternative common foundation materials, things that are available that most people don't think about using. Uncommon foundation materials, things that have been used in other countries that might be applicable here, or just new ideas. Slab on grade foundation, ways to make that efficient and comfortable and not cold in the winter. Crawl space foundation, we'll look at options to make that a very healthy alternative to other options. And then of course basements.